Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, September 18th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking good for a while. Nice cool mornings coming up, highs dropping in the 70s, and of course the tropics are very alive. We are now into the Greek alphabet. Yeah, buddy. So here we go. A lot to talk about. We'll start with the upper airflow. This is at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground, troughing in the northwest, troughing in the northeast. Kind of a light southwest flow aloft here, pushing high cirrus clouds into the region. That's the visible satellite view. Those cirrus clouds actually coming from that tropical depression in the western Gulf of Mexico, giving us some filtered sunshine today. And we got some light rain falling over parts of Mobile and Baldwin counties down in southwest Alabama, but the northern half of the state is dry. And for our end of the state, will probably stay dry through at least the middle of next week. Temperature is upper 70s in spots. In fact, it's only 75 in Cullman. Birmingham, 82. Tuscaloosa coming in at 86 degrees. We'll see highs in the upper 70s tomorrow and Sunday. Freeze warnings for parts of Michigan and the northeast United States. Out west, some red flag warnings. Things are quiet down here. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. How about a marginal risk over parts of Oregon with that trough coming in? Tomorrow, no organized severe weather expected, and the same thing on Sunday. But the tropics, this is where we got all the action out here. It's been quite a day. Of course, we're going to focus on TD number 22, which should be beta by the time you watch this, probably later this afternoon or this evening. But out in the central and eastern Atlantic, we've got Teddy, powerful hurricane in the middle of the Atlantic. Wilfred, kind of a weak system in the eastern Atlantic. And we've got a system on the coast of Portugal that they've named. First off, let's look at Wilfred. This developed this morning. This will be kind of a trash system. This will not affect anybody. Stays a weak tropical storm, weakens to a depression, dissipates by early next week, not affecting any landmass. Yeah, how about a tropical storm that's named on the coast of Portugal? They opted to do this. It's Subtropical Storm Alpha that's moving inland. That's one for the Mets to talk about in future weeks and years about that. But we'll not do that here. But let's take a look at Teddy. That's a powerful hurricane. 130 mile per hour winds. This will be bending north pretty close to Bermuda Sunday night, early Monday morning. Then it moves up toward the Canadian Maritimes by the middle part of next week. And no, this is not moving into New York City like you see on some of these social media posts. Stays well east of the United States. So we're going to focus on TD number 22. And again, this is probably going to be Tropical Storm Beta by the time you watch this. Here's the forecast track from the Hurricane Center. Moves northeast, takes a left-hand turn, moving west, briefly becomes a hurricane, and then turns north and then northeast on the Texas coast. And it winds up Wednesday morning at a point just to the southwest of Galveston, mainly as a rainmaker. Here's a look at the GFS ensemble, and you see the idea. Moving north, then west, then northeast, up towards southeastern Texas and Louisiana. And again, with this kind of thing, this is going to be mainly a rainmaker. This is the tropical model set, same idea. Kind of hugs the Texas coast, wets down Houston, Galveston. Lake Charles will have rain from this probably, but again, nothing like Laura. Here's the intensity guidance for 22, soon to be beta. And you can see most all the models keep this a tropical storm. And I think the main deal here, it's just going to be a rainmaker. So let's look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Again, troughing in the northeast and the northwest. We've got tropical system. Should be beta in the western Gulf. And for us, it'll be kind of like today. High clouds around. A mix of sun and clouds with a high in the upper 70s. Sunday, the tropical system drifting toward the Texas coast, and we got a beautiful day on Sunday. Looks outstanding. Bright sunshine. We start the day around 60. The high will be in the upper 70s, maybe touching 80. Low humidity, a really, really nice day. Same thing Monday. We'll be well down in the 50s to start the day. How about that? The high in the upper 70s. Tuesday looking good. Some of the colder pockets might see upper 40s Tuesday morning. Wednesday, the tropical system kind of drifting up toward Galveston and Houston, again, mainly as a rainmaker, kind of hugging the Texas coast. And then Thursday, the GFS pushes some of the rain from the tropical system in here. And that's a plausible solution. The system should be inland over Louisiana if this verifies. And so we're going to buy into this and mention clouds with a chance of rain now Thursday of next week. Look like we might go 10 days with no rain, but the tropical feature says not so fast. Here's a week from today, Friday the 25th, troughing in the northwest, troughing off the northeast coast. And again, you can see that broad troughing just west of here that's with the tropical system. And again, that's decaying, but that should bring some rain toward the end of next week. So Thursday, Friday, a chance of rain with the tropical system. How much, we don't know yet. We'll be watching. Now, by the way, this is the European. It's kind of got the same idea Friday of next week with a broad low near Memphis. We'll go out 10 days. Monday, the 28th. Look at that thing, that big trough digging in here. Got a surface low that's south of Chicago, and that might bring some thunderstorms if this verifies, but that's 10 days out. This will probably change. Here's the rain for Birmingham. This off the GFS ensemble. The mean, about an inch, but some of the members run up to 2.5 or 3 inches there. And look at these numbers. Like that deal Monday and Tuesday. The high 75, the low of 55. Isn't that great? Temperatures look just so nice. Then we warm back up into the 80s that following weekend. And hot off the presses, the new CPC outlook, September 26th through October 2nd, showing temperatures here close to or maybe a little below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video here will be Monday morning by 7 o'clock. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.